Hello everyone and welcome to the course on machine learning. Super excited to have you on the board. And today I'm going to show you how to install Python onto your machine. Doesn't matter whether you have Mac or Windows PC, the process is very similar. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so first thing, as always, we are going to need a browser. Let's bring up the browser, and what we are going to do is just Google for Anaconda Python. Then go to the first link. Then go to the download section, and what we are downloading here is Anaconda distribution for Python. So let's go ahead and click on what you want to select, whichever machine you are on. I am in Windows and I am going to click 64-bit installer for Python 3.7 version. And there it's downloading. It's a quite large file. So make sure you have selected Python 3.7 version, not Python 2.7 version. This is the updated version of Python. And while it's downloading, I'm going to explain a little bit of what Anaconda is. So Python is a programming language which install onto your machine, and then on top of that, we can install different integrated development environments, that is called IDEs, which includes different types of packages on it. You can do lots of different modification. So just Python by itself, it's not going to be very useful to you unless you install an IDE. So in Anaconda, we have different types of IDE like Spider, Jupyter Notebook, but in this course, our choice of IDE is Spider. I have already on it in my computer, so I'm going to actually cancel this installation. So once it's downloaded, you just need to install this and then run it, whether it's Mac or Windows. And it's going to be very similar. Just go through the installation process. It is going to ask you where you want to install and some basic question. Just agree and follow the installation process. It's going to take a little bit of time because it is a larger package. Then when it's done, what you need to do is you need to actually launch it. So I'm going to show you how to find it on your computer. So if you go to the taskbar at the bottom, search over here, just typing Anaconda. And here you can see that you have got Anaconda Navigator. That's the one we need. You need to find out Anaconda Navigator and launch that. So that is your aim, and that is going to take a few seconds to load. Alright, so here it is. This is what Anaconda Navigator looks like. And here you can see that you have really got quite a few things. It's very user-friendly environment as well. You can also find it out on a Mac. In Mac, you just have to press Command space. Then it will bring up the search bar, and there just type Anaconda Navigator. And you will be on the same page as I am here. Here you can see we have Jupyter Notebook, we have Spider, and some other IDEs. Just click on Spider. So this is our Spider IDE. So now just to finish off, we are going to type our first program into our Spider. Let's type print, and in parentheses, in quote, type hello world. Now we are going to highlight everything and press Ctrl Enter if you are on Windows, and press Command Enter if you are on Mac. And in the IPython console, here you can see it prints the output that is hello world. So congratulations, you have just installed Python and Spider IDE into your machine and just successfully run your hello world program. So that's it for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to import some libraries and dataset. For all that goodness, can't wait to see you in the next lecture. Until then, enjoy machine learning.